guys, so we're in town now. Beautiful PortAntonio town, people. You see it? Yeah, man, it's a busy day as usual, as you can see. All going, funny activity and everything. You see it? Yeah, man. I have to make sure I'm holding my phone good though, because you know the shops there already. So this is the homeless. Yeah, guys, so right now, I actually I go to the PortAntonio market. I actually just buy one scandal bag a while ago. And I have $2,000. And I go see what $2,000 can give me at the market. Two Jamaican $1,000. Oh dear. Nah, tell them, man, I think the time I get worse and worse, man, yo. I don't know what's going on there, man. Eh? Buffy, how we are, man, yo? I can't believe. Police stopping us. Eh? Boy, you're rough. They don't want to follow us. That's it.
You see where the country, them put the country.
Yeah.
Stagnant.
Yeah, stagnant for real, man.
Here again.
You see, because things get harder now.
Everything get hard.
Yeah. I know it hurts, so that's it. Yeah, man, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man, I'm a G that well, you see these people. Yeah, man, I'm a G that. From Buff Bay. And just sharing experience. We don't go on in the country and then something, you see it. The time I get harder, you see it. Farm building. Yeah, the famous farm building over there. The brick building. So basically, I take my time and I walk to market as I told you earlier. Because I'm going to see what I can get with 2,000 Jamaican dollar. So basically, this is a very helpful tool too. So if you have 2,000, you can know what you can get for our market. That's it. Yeah, man. My virgin done this, so we sell the sell the fruits them and something. Oh, go on, you know, so I can't afford the east and buy a fruit from you, know, yeah, my dad's, you know, man. I have to buy a fruit from you.
See?
Yeah, man. I don't want to vlog yet, you
know.
YouTube thing, yeah, man. How you say about your thing? How your thing going now?
You see me?
Alright, I see you there.
Yeah, man, right here, so man.
Yeah.
Only for grape and apple and thing there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's style up there, I don't know.
So the price of the apple?
You know, say $100.
Yeah, man, I'm
don't
thing,
know,
man.
brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Up and running, man.
Yeah, man, respect.
You see?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, that's it.
Every time.
Alright. Yeah, people, so basically you can see me just grab an apple a while, like you see it, you know, I just grab an apple. Apple sweet. Eh? No, apple sweet. Yeah, general.
Yeah, man, you don't know. The Papa did this now, you don't know. Big fruit style, you see it? Up and running every time.
It's a good look, man. Everything, every fruit, you know, man.
Banana, everything me have, man.
Come on, you can get it right here, so. Right near to the farm building. Royal Mall. Yeah, man, right next to it.
Yeah, man.
Right here in PortAntonio.
You see it? Up and running, man.
Come on, big up yourself.
Every time.
Right, so basically, I'm going to view upon what go on. Alright, so if you don't know PortAntonio good, you're not going to know where to find where the fruits themselves. Yeah, my virgin right there that sell the fruits. Is it there, right? Farm building right there. So let's go to the market now to see what I can get for $2,000. Yeah, man, forward with me now. So I make a walk through and show you when I can get a PortAntonio market and the various prices and everything. So basically when you can see what I'm going. Hello. Hi. Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man, so just go and do the thing, you know, you see it. Done my shops already. Auntie, how going? Everything alright? Yeah. How did so far? So make a circle. You know what I look for those people? Plant, I look for first. And I don't know, some love plant already. Hello.
Alright, anything over there?
Oh, you still stuff them. I'm still one way up there. Green plant there. Oh, you sell it?
100 seed.
100 seed? Alright, give me 2 seed. Man, them are big. Yeah, people them are telling me say shoot today on Monday. So enough people not really they about today, like, you understand? Yeah, today I want kind of like a slow day in the market. If I never for that, the whole of them stall they would have full up. Don't think me, G? The whole of them stall they would have full up if I never go on Monday. So which part you think me can go? We have some good farming stuff and stuff. And we can buy. Which part you think better?
I didn't say that better place, you know, because I come from Cynthia and something.
And we can get the yam?
Yeah.
We have to get in the market.
No, it's from water, so it's all of them style. On Friday and Saturday it's full. All the accounts are full.
So today I kind of want to go back. So I go on. It's 1,000 more money. Let's eat people. Nah, mango. Oh, you sell the mango? Cheap for 500. Alright. The chair is for 5 years. Alright. Maybe I said the market would have more if I never Monday. I say still nobody really come out with them load again, not go on. I just do one little thing from YouTube, you see it? People then can see what go on in the town. So are you a stylist? I'm so for stylist. Oh, she's there right now. Okay. Yeah, but you want some plant, yes? What? Yeah, people, so right now, as you can see, I make a move and walk out of the market now, you see it? You want me get this now it even come to 2,000 now. This come to 1,500. So 1,500 now can I get a good amount of stuff in the market, you understand? And as I told you earlier, today is a Monday, so today not really that busy. So probably if I did do a vlog like on the weekend, it would have a little bit better. But I'm going to have a part 2 follow-up video on this thing. Yeah man, big up on yourself and bless up on yourself for watching the video. And if you not subscribe to the channel yet, it means a lot to me for even want to leave a comment and then something. You understand what I say? Yeah man, peace out.